Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi that keeps disconnecting or dropping out on Windows 11. Now this is usually caused by a hidden power saving setting that we need to turn off. So the process is extremely straightforward. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now the number one reason Windows drops your Wi-Fi is because it tries to save power by turning off your network card. Now we need to tell it to stop doing that. So what you do is right-click on your Start menu, then click on Device Manager. Now from the list over here, just simply locate Network Adapters. Then double-click on it to expand and look for your Wi-Fi adapter. And after that, just simply right-click on it, then select Properties. Now select the Power Management tab in the Properties window. And over here, you will see a box that says, Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. Uncheck this box immediately, and then select OK, and the changes will be saved. Now Windows will keep the connection alive 100% of the time. Now, if the issue still remains, there is a second layer of power saving buried in the control panel that we also need to disable. So what you do is just simply click on your Start button, then just simply type Edit Power Plan, and then you should see a battery icon. Now just simply click on Open to open the control panel settings. In the next window that pops up, just simply click on Change Advanced Power Settings, and a small pop-up window will appear over here. Just simply scroll down until you find Wireless Adapter Settings. Then just simply click on the small plus icon in front of that, and then you should be able to see Power Saving Mode. Click on the plus option to expand that as well. Then you will see another option for On Battery, and over there you have to click on the blue highlighted option. Then you should see a drop-down menu, and inside the drop-down menu you have to choose Maximum Performance. Make sure to choose Maximum Performance, not Maximum Power Saving. After making the change, click on Apply, then OK. Now this will ensure your Wi-Fi card gets full power all the time. And even after that, if you are still getting disconnected, your network drivers might be corrupted. Now the best way to fix this in Windows 11 is to use the Network Reset feature. So what you do is just simply press Windows plus I on your keyboard, and after that, just simply go to Network and Internet. And over here, scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. Now look for the option that says Network Reset. It should be under More Settings. Click on it, and over here, you have to just simply click on the Reset Now button. Then just simply select Yes to confirm it, and then your computer will restart automatically within 5 minutes. Or you can restart it manually. It's totally up to you. And when it boots back up, you will need to reconnect to your Wi-Fi with your password, but the connection will be fresh and stable, and after that, your issue should be fixed. So that's it. Your internet should now be rock solid. So I hope you find this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.